Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be telling you how to turn on the Wi-Fi tethering even while using the Wi-Fi network in your Poco X2 smartphone. So which is the same kind of feature which is present in the Poco F2 Pro and the Redmi K20 Pro device. So where you can connect to the one Wi-Fi network and simultaneously you can even turn on the hotspot to share the Wi-Fi connection with the other devices. So in this video, I'll be demonstrating you how you can do that in the Poco X2 phone. And if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And also do check the links in description also for exactly what kind of wallpapers I'm using in all of my smartphones. As you can see friends, which are very good, interesting wallpapers. So right now there's a feature which is there, Wi-Fi tethering. So that means, for example, when you go to your friend's home or anyone's home, if the number of connected devices to the Wi-Fi network has been exceeded, then you cannot connect your device. But if you have the Poco X2, then this will be very much easy. So you can just connect to the one phone to the Wi-Fi network and you can share the Wi-Fi internet connection with all of your smartphones. So that is the one unique advantage with this kind of sharing the Wi-Fi network. And that is one way of using. And second way is that, which is my most favorite way, which I'll be using. So if my any of my friends or colleagues, if they come to my home, then definitely instead of sharing my Wi-Fi password, usually I will I'll create the portable hotspot. So then they'll be connecting to my mobile hotspot instead of Wi-Fi router. So I no need to give the Wi-Fi router password, so they can connect only to my mobile hotspot instead of directly connecting to the Wi-Fi router. So in this way you can actually save the Wi-Fi password not giving to your friends, and every time they won't be connecting to the Wi-Fi router. So this is how you can do. First you need to connect to your Wi-Fi home router Wi-Fi network. So once you connected, then you need to go to the portable hotspot and you just need to turn on this portable hotspot option, as you can see friends. So normally in other smartphones, few of the smartphones that do not support this portable hotspot option. So in that case, the Wi-Fi connection will be automatically disabled. For example, let me try to demonstrate in a few of the applications, few of the phones. For example, this is my Mi Note 10 Lite. As you can see friends, clearly Mi Note 10 Lite. And so if I turn on the portable hotspot option, the Wi-Fi connection will be disabled, as you can see here, and the Wi-Fi tethering got turned on. But in the Poco X2, this won't be happening at all if you are using this portable hotspot option. So this is an advantage in the Poco X2 phone. So if you are using the Poco X2, and this is another hidden feature which is there, most of the users, they don't use this feature, but definitely this is a must use. And if you start using, definitely you'll like using this kind of feature friends. So every time you don't need to give your Wi-Fi router password to your friends, you just need to create the portable hotspot, and you can share this Wi-Fi password with your friends, and whenever you want you can change, and you can change the password whenever you want, and you can turn off and on, so instead of giving the Wi-Fi router password. So this is a way you can use in the Poco X2 phone. So for more videos, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.